Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. Police are investigating the circumstances which left a 38-year-old woman stabbed to death at her home in Burnt Savannah, a farming community a few miles southwest of Santa Cruz early Tuesday. The St. Elizabeth police identified the victim as Natasha Waite, unemployed, of Bug Lane, Burnt Savannah. Police said that about 9:15 a.m., Waite was found by her son on the floor of her room in a pool of blood. Police say they were summoned to the scene, and checks revealed 2 stab wounds to the woman's neck. She was taken to hospital, where she was pronounced dead. The Santa Cruz Criminal Investigation Branch is investigating. A 41-year-old ambulance driver who attempted to burn a nurse alive at Spanish Town Infirmary in St. Catherine on Monday has been taken into custody by the police. The nurse is said to be at hospital in serious condition after she was also stabbed multiple times by the accused, who is alleged to be her jealous lover. Reports are that the female nurse was at work when the ambulance driver came to the compound and accused her of being unfaithful to him. The female taxi operator, who plies the clock in Montego Bay to Springmount route, was shot and killed by armed men at a location in the parish on Tuesday night, April 6. The victim has been identified so far only as Tamara, who resides in the Springmount community. Reports by the police are that, about 7:30 p.m., the female who operates a Voxy bus from the vicinity of Clock Tower in Montego Bay to Springmount was heading towards Johns Hall when she was ambushed by 2 men posing as passengers. The police have now arrested the 23-year-old brother of the slain suspect in the disappearance of missing Clarendon teacher Natalie Dawkins. 2 other men were also taken into custody as persons of interest. On Saturday, Jeff Bedward, the 20-year-old man seen in the picture below, was killed in a shootout with the police in Belfield, St. Catherine. His accomplice escaped. Police detectives are now probing the shooting of a man and a woman during a robbery along Maryvale Avenue off Red Hills Road, St. Andrew this evening. The robbers, traveling in a car, took the woman's belongings. They then shot her and a man who attempted to intervene. The robbers sped off. The man and the woman have been rushed to hospital. We now move to On the Brighter Side. The Leon Bailey Dare to Care Foundation presented 25 tablets to the Nest Salvation Army Children's Home in St. Andrew last week. This was part of the foundation's Easter Care and Share initiative. It was the first activity for the new foundation, which was formed last month, and Chairman Craig Butler said helping needy children is the main focus. He said starting with a children's home close to where Bailey grew up was significant.